I'm back. Welcome back to my channel. The struggle is real with the makeup nurse. Today we are going to do a whole bunch of unboxing. I'm so excited. I've been waiting a month for everything. So I have the 2 bags from Ipsy, and the winner will be able to choose that we have that we pulled for our giveaway. And I'm going to unbox these 2 first, and then I will email our winner to see which one she would rather have for these Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses that I got. I got 2 of them this month. Okay, the first bag for Ipsy is Sugar Rush Tart. And this is a 16-hour wear waterproof. It looks like it's a clay liner. So it looks like this is an eyeliner from Tarte. Then we have, there's a little card in here. Pretty Wicked. Then we have this, I don't want to really open it because it's going to the winner, or it could be, but this looks like it's a Hip Dot eyeshadow palette. It looks like pressed pigment glitter palette, and it looks like it's all like browns in the neutral palette. Then we have 111 Skin Cream, Nocturnal Eclipse Recovery Cream. 111 is a very expensive brand, so that's nice. Oh, some beauty blenders, makeup blenders from Uve. Not sure how to spell that, or like how to say that. And then, My Wrinkles Eye Repair Cream from This Works. So this is the one bag that they can choose from. And let's put this away so it's nice and neat, so I can send this to the winner. Or this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This one has Ofra Cool as a Cucumber Primer, Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter. I don't want to open them. And this is a Posh Powder Palette. Let's see if I can open this one without, so you can see which one it is. Well, I can't get it open without breaking the box, and I don't want to do that in case they would want this one. But this is, it's a blush and highlighter palette from Duce, and it's a Posh Powder palette. And then we have the iriselli Gel Eye Pencil Eyeliner Duo with Sharpener. Let's see if I can open this without breaking the box. Here's the sharpener. And then, here are the eyeliners. There's 2. So, you got that. And then we have some more skin cream. Oh, no, wait. This is Gold Faden MD Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. So, I think... I wonder if this is, it must be a mist, so it must be like a primer type thing. So this was the second bag. Alright, now it gets into the stuff that is mine. Well, one of those bags will be mine, but let's see. This is the regular Ipsy bag, just the normal one, and I got this detoxifying charcoal body scrub from Theory. And then let's see. Eye primer. I could have used this since I didn't have eye primer for my eyes. Tipsy Lips Moisturizing Balm. Oh, from Sugar. I wonder, well, I already did my makeup. But even though these are supposed to be sample sizes because it's the Ipsy, the regular Ipsy, these are kind of big size products, you know, regular size it looks like. Then, ooh, Tony Moly Retinol Eye Cream, and it's pumpkin, so I wonder if it smells like pumpkin. I hope I get an eyeliner. Oh, Pacifica Glimmer Shimmer Highlighter and Blush. If I can get it open. Oh, there's the blush and highlighter. Pretty. And that is it for my Ipsy, the regular Ipsy bag. Now we go to the BoxyCharm, and this is my base box. Let's see. And this is in Spellbound. That's the theme of this box. I got this Lys matte bronzer, so let's see what this looks like. I don't know if I said it right, but it's Lys or whatever. Let's see. Ooh, it's a lighter shade, doesn't smell. Oh, I got makeup remover wipes in Julep Beauty. And then I got Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. Ooh. I think you're supposed to use this as, like, I think you can put this in your foundation or you can just use it before. And how to use. On a no makeup day, apply 1 to 2 pumps as the last step of the entire routine. When wearing makeup, evenly distribute formula on fingertip and gently pat on the high points of the face in a tapping motion on top of makeup. For a glossy eye look, dab a pea-sized amount to the center of the eyelid and blend out. Interesting. I'll have to try that. Ooh, House Laboratories. I have their eyeshadow palette and I think it's a blush palette. So now I have, I think this is a lipstick. Actually, I think I have liquid eyeshadow from them. A Glam Attack All Over Liquid Shimmer Powder. Oh, so maybe, I think it's another liquid eyeshadow, which I have now 2 from them. And then I got this Laura Geller Spackle Primer. Hydrate, moisturizes, and replenishes from Laura Geller. I think I have, do I have anything from Laura Geller? I think I just have an eyeliner from her. I think that's it. Okay, now we go to the bigger box, the premium box from my BoxyCharm. And again, it's in this Spellbound box. Oh, I should read off the prices. So that Glow Recipe was $34. I wish Ipsy did this. Laura Geller Primer was $32. The Lys Beauty Bronzer was $25. The Liquid Eyeshadow from House Laboratories, $20. And Julep, the towel, these makeup wipes were $20. $20 for makeup wipes? Are you kidding me? That's kind of expensive. All right, now we're going to the premium box. Ooh, Lys Beauty. I don't have anything from them. I've never tried anything from them. And this is a matte bronzer. Of course, another bronzer. Get it open. Really don't need another bronzer. But I haven't tried anything from them, and that's a pretty shade. Oh, what's this thing? Citrus Brightening Cleanser, Vitamin C. This will be nice for my skincare days. Under eye volumizing collagen pads. Oh, I have some more from Two of the Gods. Some collagen pads, so I can use that for my skincare days as well. Lily Lashes. I've never tried anything from Lily Lashes either, and actually I haven't, out of all these brands that I got out of this box, I haven't tried anything from any of them. I like the packaging, and I don't want to open it because I have so many mascaras right now that I don't want that to go dry. Oh, Tart Man Eater. This is a plumping gloss. Well, let's put this over what I got. See how this works. I have tried stuff from Tarte before, so, and I even have a matte lipstick from them too. I think I can start feeling the tingling, but not. It's not too bad right now. Ooh, Georgia Benefit Georgia Peach. Is this a blush? Yep, Sweet Bonded Cheeks. So this is a blush, which is perfect because I live in Georgia. I guess I got some refreshments from Ipsy. I thought I canceled this, so don't know why it's in here. I'll have to make sure I canceled it because I know I did cancel these. Oh, I'm feeling the tingle now. This is, shaving cream from Pillowy Shave Cream. And, some stickers. I like stickers. And this is a 5-blade razor kit. I don't need any more razors. That's why I canceled this, because that's what they kept giving you. Like the first time that they gave you refreshments. So this is the razor kit. So might as well use it since they gave it to me. But I don't need any more, so I need to get that canceled. And so the other boxy charm, the prices for the Benefit Cosmetics, the Georgia Peach blush was $30. The Lily Lashes, $65 for mascara. That's insane. The Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser is $35. The Lys Beauty Bronzer was $18. The Tarte Man Eater Plumping Gloss was $19. And the Two of the Gods eye pads were $20. So, but $65 for eyelash mascara? That's crazy. Okay, and now I'm gonna look at my Babe box. And with Babe box, it's like $25, I think it is. It's fairly cheap, but they surprise you. You don't get, like Ipsy and BoxyCharm, you can maybe pick 1 or 2 items and customize. This is not, there's no customizing for Babe box, but so far I've enjoyed their what I've gotten in their products. So let's see what I got. Saint Luxe Shimmer Body Oil. Oh. Pretty. This is the Shimmer Body Oil. That is very pretty. I like that. And then Laboratories Cosmetics. Never heard of them. And this looks like maybe it almost looks, yeah, kind of creamy. Yep, cream, oh, highlighter. This is a cream highlighter. Very pretty. Then I have Symbiosis London Bee Venom and Niacinamide Delight Radiance Restoring Facial Serum. I needed some serum here because all my serum's at my hotel. So this is good. I can try this later. And then Babe Under Eye Mask. So we have under eye masks with activated collagen and gold. Let's see. Oh, they're just in little things, so I can't take them out to see how they are. And then we have this LA Splash Cosmetics Present Classic Horror. Is this lipstick? Creature. I don't, maybe it'll say if I can get it out. Oh, yep, it is some type of lip gloss. So, and that's it for that. And let's see. Oh, yes. So that shimmer oil is $30. Holy cow! This Symbiosis Delight Radiance Restoring Serum is $149. Holy cow, that's expensive. That cream highlight was $20. The under eye treatment mask was $20, and the LA Splash Cosmetics horror lipstick is $16. Total value of $235, and I think I paid like less than 30 bucks for this box. So it was a good deal. Okay, now I ordered something from Amazon. Can't remember what it was since obviously I've been gone for a month. So let me, it's almost like a surprise even though I ordered it. That's not, I guess one thing about not being home for a while. I can, man, they have this packaged good. Can't get it open. Finally got it open. Oh, it's my new planner for the next year that I ordered. I totally forgot about this. I'm so excited. It's a 13-month non-dated monthly and weekly planner that I use for work. And then there's this, oh, and these, if I can get it open. And these are my BioFit that I had to get because I was running out from Amazon. And I got 3 of them. So they last me 3 months. So that's that. Alright. Then I ordered another thing from Amazon. And this is... I was getting some heart palpitations, and so I got this Cardia mobile. I can't talk today, and it's like a little mini EKG where you can put your hands down on this little thing, and it'll connect with your phone, you'll just download the app and it'll show you your rhythm. So that way you don't have to go to the ER. So I got this because like I went to the ER one time, you know, when I was having it like a week ago, and they did the EKG and they couldn't capture it, and they're like, oh, no heart attack. I'm like, well, I know there's no heart attack, I just want to know what the rhythm was when I'm having the palpitations. So if you're the same, if you have palpitations and you just want to have a peace of mind, this was like $80. It wasn't too bad, and now anytime I'm having them, I can check my rhythm and I don't have to waste a trip to the emergency room. So I got that. And last but not least, I think this is the last box. This is the battle box, and we get this because it is surviving stuff. So let's see what we got. We got a little card here. All right. I wonder what this is. Is this a book bag? Oh, it's a Kalaloa Big Kahuna compression sack. The Big Kahuna sack is a boss when it comes to compressing those huge bulky items. The sack makes packing for that next road trip. So it's like a big compressing sack, which is nice. Then we got hybrid gear clip, a gear clip, so you can clip things on to stuff. It's a hook and hand big backpacks from trees and duffel bags from fences, so you can like kind of hang it on. It has that little hook there, and then it's got the thing that you can put the book bag or something on. So that would be a little bit nice. And that is $21. That compression sack is $69. Then we have fire lighter, a fire dragon. So this must be stuff that you can start a fire with, and this is $12. And then we have little stacking container system. So it's got a little bunch of different sized jars, and this was $14.95, and this is from Human Gear, I guess that's what it's from, I guess, or Stacks, I don't know whatever one that is. And then Warpath Blades. I wonder what this is. Is this some knife or something? Yep, it is a knife. So we have, let me see the blade on it. Ooh, look at that. It looks very sharp. And this is $49.99 for this knife. And it's, let's see, it is designed and ready for work. The point blade is perfect for literally any task you want to throw at it, with its full tank construction, ample jimping and contouring, two-tone layer, G10 scales. Precision control comes with ease. So yeah, so it doesn't hurt to have extra knives for when you're out on the property and stuff. So that is it with all my unboxings. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's a brand that you would like me to try, just comment down below, and I can subscribe to it, and we can see if it's worth it. Have a good day. Bye.